A bill of materials report is very helpful for purchasing to order the correct number of components based on what the schematic has called out. The bill of materials report is a default report style that comes with the software. So if we go to the Add button, you'll notice that we have the ability to select a bill of materials. Now there are a lot of reports in here. We can sort by description or name or by object type. Hit the filters at the top of the screen. Go to our description area here and I type in bill of. You'll notice that we'll get a filtered list. And now I can choose the bill of materials template that I wish to use. In this case, bill of materials grouped by manufacturer. Notice that you can also select by object type. With our selection in hand, we see the report generated with the part number from the manufacturer, the actual manufacturer name, quantity of each of the components with a description, and the mark reference designation, which is quite handy. Now, if you want to have your own internal corporate part number also on this as a column, we can go to the properties of this bill of materials report and edit the column layout. Right mouse click on the column header and choose the appropriate column name. Article number is most commonly used for our own internal part number. Once we hit the update button, notice that we have the article number available. When we look at this, we notice that there are no article numbers in here. So let's correct that by going to one of these components. We'll go to Q1. I don't know where Q1 is, so let's go to the Find tool, which is the pair of binoculars, which can also be Control F from the keyboard, and I'll do a component search for Q1. And you'll notice that we have, right here, two items showing Q1, one on page 10 and one on page 3. You can double-click from here or right-click to go to Drawing to get to that actual symbol. And now we can go to the symbol properties and edit the part number information here by including the article number of our choice. Now when we apply this, we can ask it to update the catalog or just this part. Now if we do the catalog, the next time somebody uses this, it will be available and ready to go. But for the other Q-type components that we've already placed from this manufacturer, these are not up to date on our bill of materials. Right now it shows just the one article number here, but we need to go ahead and do an update for the rest of the project for this to complete its operation. To do this, go to the Process tab and choose the Update Data option. We can update multiple things about the project, including parts, cable references, symbols, and even title blocks. Hit the Next button. It tells us there are no cable references that need updates, but there are manufacturer parts that do need updates, including our ABB part number that we're interested in now. And we can go ahead and finish this up, and that's all there is to that.